my vice chairman here of the International Cricket Committee, who bears a small responsibility for Ali. Actually, it's his mom that has the most to do with you becoming the person that you are. So let's hear it for your mom. So, the International Cricket Committee yesterday, they met, they had a vote. The biggest match in cricket will be held here in Nassau County, India versus Pakistan this summer. Here's the bad news. They're already sold out. So I guess there's so much excitement. They told me that everybody is already saying they want to come to Nassau County. So we're going to have other events. We're going to have watching parties. We're going to have concerts. We're going to make this into a big celebration. And of course, there will be 1 billion people around the world watching those matches right here in Nassau County. And Ali, as a deputy county attorney and as a member of the commission, is going to be an important part of that effort, as is Bobby Calotti. And we have a team put together where we're going to put Nassau County's best foot forward. We're going to talk about the fact that we have a community that's inclusive, that's diverse, a community where people get along. The fact that we have the best beaches in the world. The fact that we have world-class shopping, world-class restaurants. That we have other accoutrements that we can brag about. Our cultural sites, our museums. Our healthcare network, for some of you who are physicians. We have as good a healthcare network now as New York City, if not better. So we got a lot of things to talk about. And with 1 billion people watching from around the world, and thousands coming in from around the world, we're going to have a really good opportunity to showcase who we are and what we have. And I think that's going to be great for the economy. I think it's going to be great for your businesses. And it's also going to be great for the tax base, because if you lift the tax base, you can then keep property taxes down. So
मैं इसके लिए बड़ा मशकूर हूँ जी अपनी क़यादत का। काउंटी एग्जीक्यूटिव ने जैसा कि आज अनाउंस किया है, मुझे उन्होंने वाइस चेयर बनाया है इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट का। तो आपको जैसा कि पता है कि यहाँ T20 वर्ल्ड कप होने जा रहा है जून में 2024 में। तो इसके लिए हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए ये बड़ी एक्साइटेड न्यूज़ है। मुझे 1 साल हो गया इसके लिए एफर्ट्स करते, तो आज माशाल्लाह आपने देख लिया है, उसकी अनाउंसमेंट हो गई है और मैं उसका वाइस चेयरमैन बना हूँ। हमारे नीचे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर बन रहे हैं। मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी के जो बिज़नेस वाले लोग हैं उनको बोर्ड में ला रहा हूँ और इंशाअल्लाह आप देखेंगे ये एक बहुत ही एक्साइटेड मूवमेंट होगी और कम्युनिटी के लिए एक फ़ख्र की बात है कि फ़र्स्ट टाइम क्रिकेट होने जा रहा है यूनाइटेड नेशन।
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.